morning everybody, this is Organic Dairyman and today is Monday, December 31st, the last day of 2018. And yeah, we're just getting out here the barn to get things going, and it's a whole different landscape again out there this morning, or just a whole, it's the weather took a change last night, and actually we're under a blizzard warning again. Yeah, how about that? So yeah, I'm just getting out here, getting things, gonna get started milking here, and I don't know, not gonna be an enjoyable day again. So, but yeah. Oh, there's the cats. They like to cuddle when it gets cold out. Yep. So it's going to be maybe another long day again, and so we got to get things going here and start another day. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to use the snow blower or not, and got to get this running here. I don't know, when I kind of woke up this morning, looked outside, I just felt like just staying in bed this morning. To be truthful, I didn't want to even come out here, but well, we gotta milk the cows and feed the cattle. It's got to be done, otherwise we ain't gonna make any money. So, well, I better keep going and get things moving here. I gotta go out to the shed and plug the tractors in yet, and see what the day brings. Alright, out here in the machine shed, I was just unplugging the tractors. I'm gonna get them started up here. And this tank heater on here is working really good, so I'm gonna get this tractor going, get it warming up. Oh, and I think I'm gonna, there's probably people that always wonder, why is that door not on there? It's just because, I don't know, it's just that I've been kind of lazy, just haven't gotten it on there. And the other thing is the latches don't hold on there, so you gotta have a tarp strap. Like, if you notice this door here, it's got a tarp strap. The doors, over the years, the doors on this thing, they got these tires are 18.4 38 tires. They're really, the original, a lot of 4020s when they came out with them, they had the 18.4 34s, and so these are actually a bigger tire than what normally should be on here. And so the doors, if they come back, they'll catch the wheels, and over the years the doors have gotten caught. They were already warped when we bought this thing, and they didn't want to close right, and they're just sprung and everything. We need to put like a latch or something up here to hold it so the door never comes back. It's supposed to have some sort of latch, but they never really work. The doors are so blasted heavy, super kind of heavy. So whoops, I gotta get this thing going. So that's what I'm gonna do, get this thing going and get this door mounted on here. There's that one. Now we get the loader going. It's nasty out there, guys. It is nasty, nasty, nasty. Come on, door. Oh, this rubber kind of gets a little bit moisture down here in the bottom, and it sticks. Oh, it's days like this I'm thankful that we have a loader tractor with a heated cabin here. Whoops. Hey golly, even the glow plugs turned on there for a little bit. It's getting cold out fast. I mean, I can tell since this morning we've come out, the temperature has been, it's been dropping. Set the yep. It's getting colder out. There's look at all that snow just, whoo, oh my gosh. That's what we're dealing with here today. I'm gonna check the temperature here and see what that looks like. It's already below 0 Fahrenheit here. It's like 2 below 0. 2 below 0 and it's almost the middle of the day. I gotta go back here and we gotta check that set you guys here for a second. I gotta go, whoa, tripped. I gotta go back here and check on this water fountain that I worked on yesterday, and gonna walk through all this snow. You gotta make sure this thing is not, these cattle are getting water. That dang sucker, that thing is iced up again. I'm gonna have to go back and get a hammer, bust that open. I don't know why it keeps freezing up. These guys gotta get water. Oh man, it's a blizzard out here today. Oh, well, I'm gonna get a hammer and bust that thing open, and I'm gonna keep going with things here for the day. Okay, I just got the dry cows fed, and now I am just driving over here to the where we normally get the feed out for the young stock, the haylage, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in here or not. Oh boy, that is just, it's the first time I've been over here today. Nope, that is it's really socked in there. I guess we'll just have to for today, just you know, that that bag right over there is for that's first cutting hay. That's what we've been feeding to the young stock, and obviously the stuff up there on the hill, if you could see it up there, that's the second cutting. This is the better, higher protein stuff we normally feed that to the milk cows. But I guess today we'll just have to grab some from up there. So there's no point in even trying to come in here at the snowblower. It's just gonna fill right back in again. Let's have to wait till this crappy weather is over. And not only that, but I don't really know if I should use the snowblower with that that U-joint being the way it is, or the universal joint being the way it is. The one bearing cat is, it'll probably go out or something and wreck the yoke. I guess I'll just have to go up in the hill. It's just a really crappy day out today. It's just crappy. Just not good at all. almost feel the skin on your face start to freeze. I wish I had a ski mask on right now. Whew. Whoa. Oh, holy bucket. Oh. Man, I don't know how we used to do it. A couple years ago we used to have just a power shift January 40-20, and the cab in that thing was just nothing but a windbreak. Oh, this thing is so much nicer just to have a heater in here. Oh, it's cold out there. Yeah, we got one last job to do here. We gotta go and bed. We gotta go over there and bed the bread heifers. We got a straw bale and a loader bucket here, because they need something to snuggle into tonight. It's gonna get darn cold. Supposed to be negative 35-degree wind chills tonight, maybe even colder than that. Okay. Well, we're finally done with all the feeding chores for the day. We just gotta milk the cows yet. So I gotta grab a bite to eat before we do that. And yeah, as long as I'm in the barn, I just want to show you. This was the calf that was born, I think, 4 days ago. She was just a little tiny girl, and she's been having trouble drinking milk and stuff. And she was cold, so we brought her down here. I don't know, like a few days ago, we brought her down here. I think I actually brought her down here before the last blizzard came. So she seems to be doing better. She's drinking better. It just seemed like she was just having a really tough time drinking and stuff. We had to tube her a couple times, and now she's finally starting to get the hang of things yet. So, yeah, what do you say, huh? Yeah, you're drinking better now, aren't you? Yeah, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You know how to shuck now. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, she's doing good. But, oh man, what a long day. Cold and miserable today. Oh, we didn't really get that much snow, maybe 3 inches. It looks like it's more just because it drifted. It's just like a powder, a fine powdery snow. So yeah, there's some place that drifted in. I mean, I know we blew some snow yesterday. It didn't drift in quite as bad yesterday or today as it, we didn't, as it did the last blizzard. And that cow's sneezing. Cow, what are you doing? And yeah, so I know we might have to blow a little bit more. I know, I guess if we hadn't blown, we did blow, it would have been a whole lot worse. It would have been that much more snow to blow, so well, that much more to go through and everything like that. So I'm glad we did blow what we did blow. On Sunday, so it's not going to be as bad. But the winds are supposed to go down here tonight. As I said, it's supposed to get bitterly cold. I mean, the actual temperature is going to be 16 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit and like I say, negative 35 degree below wind chills Fahrenheit. And so it's going to be downright chilly willy tonight. And my face is all windburned from listen, I should have bought a ski mask to put on. As long as I'm wearing my contacts, I can't do it when I wear my glasses because they fog up and stuff. It just doesn't work. You gotta have contacts and do that. But anyways, tomorrow is the new year already, so hard to believe. 2019 is here, so yeah. Where does time go? Another year gone. But well, I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. We didn't actually grind a batch of feed. We should have ground it yesterday. I wish we would have now, but well, let's do it tomorrow. It's going to be calm. It's going to be cold but calm. The high is supposed to be like 5 below 0 or something like that. So it's going to be downright cold. And yeah, so yeah, I don't know. Like I say, that's pretty much what we're going to do tomorrow. Maybe we have to clean up a little snow. Yeah, well, I had to also tonight, I bedded another cattle lot. One lot we call the north lot. We bedded that one. I just took some small squares and bedded by a windbreak, so that way they have something to snuggle into, because it's just dang cold out. They need something to snuggle into when it's that cold, and I know I would too. So it's hard to take care of the cattle when it's cold out and stuff, but these cows in here, they have it pretty nice though when it's in the barn like this. It's nice and warm, and they got their little watering cups, their drinking cups we call them there. So they're nice and warm in here, and otherwise if they went outside they could freeze their teats and stuff like that. And I'm sure anybody that's milked cows knows about frozen tits before. That's not a good thing, but yeah. So anyways, I gotta get going here, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. Check out all my other videos. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And please, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. And a big thank you to those that have hit that subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's see what else. Yeah, so yeah, and I hope everybody had a good New Year's Eve, and their New Year's Day is going fine and everything, and everybody got their New Year's resolutions all made up and ready to go. So whatever it is that you're gonna do, lose weight, or I don't know if I get too gung-ho on New Year's resolutions. I guess I have made them before, and I have actually kept my New Year's resolutions before, but I don't know, anymore I don't get too excited about doing New Year's resolution things, but they're just, I don't know. I guess it is what it is. So anyways, like I said, thanks again everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you later.